Imagine waking up every day held back by pain, the tingling, the burning, the numbness that makes even the simplest tasks feel impossible. For too long, you've been told that nerve pain is just something you have to live with. But what if there was a way to fight back, to reclaim your freedom, to feel alive again? There is hope. There is a solution. If you've ever felt trapped in your own body, you're not alone. Millions suffer from neuropathy, pain, numbness, and weakness that steal joy from everyday life. But here's what they don't tell you. You don't have to suffer in silence. Introducing NeuroPure, a breakthrough natural formula designed to support nerve health, reduce pain, and restore mobility so you can get back to living life on your terms. What makes NeuroPure special? 100% natural formula with powerful plant-based ingredients. Supports nerve function and reduces inflammation at the root, restores strength and mobility so you can move freely again. And the best part, no more relying on temporary fixes, no more giving up on the life you deserve. Imagine waking up without pain, moving without fear, and feeling like yourself again. This is more than a supplement, it's a chance to take back your life. Click the link below to try NeuroPure today. Don't wait, your journey to healing starts now. Hope is here. Relief is possible. And it starts with one simple step. Click the link below and take back control today. Like, subscribe, and comment, I'm ready. If you're taking the first step toward relief,